Well, good afternoon. It's Thursday, January 21st, 2021, and I'd like to welcome you back. You know, we continue to monitor the numbers of COVID cases and also the contact tracing and quarantines. Our high school and 7th and 8th grade academy have really seen higher numbers, but our elementary sites have seen lower numbers, so they're really balancing out. So with that being said, we're feeling like it's the right thing to do to come back in person next week. So next week, we will be back in class in person. We'll start on Monday, January the 25th, and we will go all the way through Friday, January the 29th. So we will be back in person. We have preventative measures, and I want to talk a little bit about those that we're really specifically doing. I know there's some that have been very concerned about what are we doing in the school district to keep everyone safe. Number one, we're disinfecting all of our classrooms, cafeterias, and buses on a daily basis. We're really working hard to make that happen every single day, coming in the evening and really spraying and doing those things. Number two, we're requiring masks by everyone. We want everyone in a mask, so if they're in a building, they're walking through the corridor or a hallway, they're wearing their mask. The number three thing that we're doing, we're mandating seating charts. And you might think, why are we mandating a seating chart in every classroom or every school bus? That is to help us contact trace. So if there's someone that comes down with COVID, we're able to see where those students were and who was the closest people that might need to be sent home. Number four, we're placing hand sanitizer in every one of the classrooms and also in offices and in major cafeteria areas or major areas that people are in. So we're really trying hard to make sure that everybody is using the hand sanitizer. Number five, we're sending people home, both students and staff, if they have any symptoms. So if there's fever, coughing, any of those kinds of things, we're really trying hard to encourage people to go home and to stay home until they're symptom-free. The last thing I want to talk about is our vaccinations, and I know what you're reading in the newspaper and maybe even seeing on TV. We're working right now with St. Francis Hospital and also the health department, and they are really working hard to help us get all of our teachers and staff really vaccinated at this point in time. Don't forget that, we have about 800 to 900 staff, and getting that done in one day would be very difficult, but we're really trying hard to get those vaccinations for those folks so that we can go to in-person learning. It's really important to us. We don't know at this point in time when that will actually happen. We're hoping by the end of February that we'll be able to get everybody actually a vaccination. Remember, the city has mandated a mask. So I'm going to encourage you, whether you're at the grocery store, gas station, Walmart, wherever you might be, I want to encourage you to wear your mask. Really be vigilant in doing that. The 3 W's, wearing a mask, watching your distance, and washing your hands are so important. So I want to make sure that you understand that it makes a difference for us so that we can come back to school, because we want to be in school. I want to say thank you for all that you're doing. I know that this has been very difficult. We were home for approximately 2 months, and we've come back and we've been in school now really 2 weeks. And we've seen a difference in the numbers, but we still feel like that we can provide services and operations and really keep people safe. So we're going to stay in school and stay in person learning again from Monday, January the 25th through Friday, January the 29th. And remember, it's always a great day to be a rougher.